sunrise this morning. Blessings to the Almighty creation. Denny at the garden. What you say about the sunrise this morning, Denny? Yeah, make some lemongrass tea. Blessings to Africa, to the world, to everyone in Brooklyn and everything. Enjoying life, you know. This is Jamaica. I give you Mount Zion. Enjoy yourself. One day, hopefully, maybe, you have the ability to come and chill out with me in Mount Zion, my home. This is where I was born, right in that building over there. This is home, sweet home. Yeah, right here, right? Love, life, happiness, beauty.
No time at all.
6 o'clock.
No, sir.
Well, your clock is 4.
For my clock is 4.
Yeah.
Cause me listen to like documentary come on TV and a lot of things when me listen. Cause I'm a careful listener, you know. So there's a lady who come on the TV one time and she was giving us an illustration. They were interview her on Ian Bowen program. And the lady said, what caused her to be so successful in life?
Yeah.
And when she started to tell you the amount of things that she accumulated in life, the amount of places where she go, and how she becomes so successful, she said one of the first things for her, she makes sure that she wake up 4 o'clock every morning.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Say for 5 days or 6 days for the week. Every morning, 7 days a week. 4 o'clock, bam, she up. And he work for government. And he make sure and she says she get everything done and ready for the task ahead.
That's it.
Right. So if I lie down up a house till 6 o'clock a morning, you see? Can't prepare no breakfast, you know. Because me eventually have fell off by 6:30. So me don't go just get up and me hardly can't even make a cup of tea for me at that time. Because you have to come down, brush your teeth, make sure so the kitchen tidy up back for the morning session.
Yeah.
Right, so you have to wake up in time. So that's why I no waste time. Like now, couple of minutes from now, I'm in my bed.
You put the food in the fridge?
You sure them there? Yes. When they come and have in dinner, put them in the fridge.
What time you go bed?
6, 7. Yeah. Man, that's set up. My nerves not like sit up. Every time I can go my bed better too. I broke myself to that. Me did not done now. My big me gone, I'm not carry away. I mean, I know the whole for chatting. I whole for argument with the parrot.
You cook the pork?
Yeah. The hungry thing I feel today. Alright, when we done, cut up 2 pepper pan for you. You have to try to taste the amount of sperm I put in there. It's kind of tasty.
Okay, go ahead. Hog head. So a piece of that we fry with the carlo.
No, we're not frying now. This is not fry.
But it still can't fry though. No, don't cook already.
Don't cook already. You don't say it's soft. You don't say it's about.
We don't fry a piece of it.
No, sir. No, but that's what we're not going to make it taste it. No.
Not too much. Me a half rasta.
Yeah, half rasta.
Me a half rasta.
Alright.
I chew in Rome there was the Roman do if you never did make the pork but I never touch it.
Alright.
No. But me a half rasta. That's too much for half rasta.
This too much too?
Too much for half rasta. No one of years.
You want the
I
ears?
years that. No one of years.
Check out about the ears them.
Just give me a part where a rasta man would try.
Lean.
Yeah. A Rasta man would try that.
This?
Yeah.
Or you don't want more of that?
That's it. That's it.
Alright, let's do it.
This is for the film. And I do this for me.
Oh,
I do this for the people them. You see them?
pretty nice.
I know from my Rasta friends them I got this one me. If them see this, I'm have to hide this.
Oh.
Oh, please. That me. I talk about. But enough people say they pork, you know, talk about demons they cast in this wine. Jesus did cast out demons and I put in this wine. So they don't eat pork. But the same swine they might cast the demons in that. And them they have them a drown in I see. Bible study say they ain't going I see you drown, you know. So them they drown and I see. You know why you not eat fish? Because in the sea they have them run go drown. Yeah. So if anybody, so when the demons in the foot of the hag, away they go. Then I fish. The fish that go in there. The fish them so the fish you not feed.
So wait, the reason why
and then they have the with demons.
so the reason why them say don't pork is because the demons in the night from the Bible.
So demons
So say God casts out demons.
I'm putting out the pork.
Yeah, I said in the
Denny,
pig.
you see the knife down there, sir?
No.
So that the pig didn't have all them pig in the world now?
Yeah, that they want to say.
Wait a minute, so damn foolishness then.
Another foolishness, man.
Like them say.
So you take some midnight pork and they must say, Rasta.
So wait there.
Best meat that, man.
So wait, I
White
said to
meat,
me,
that, you know, man.
just that Bible verse there.
Yes.
Yeah.
I hate that.
Yes.
Wait, I said to me, so wait there. So them say on Monday to go in a wheel mouth too.
So that is going on.
At the wheel mouth.
And the wheel came about 1,000 miles go fling him out.
So wait, another story.
90 and
So them put up them story in your head and that's what man eat pork.
Me go on know so when me eat in a hot me belly I me no vomit or me no feel sick. So long as me no eat meat or me know say me no eat egg anytime me eat it. It hurt my belly.
Egg.
Yes.
Yeah.
So me no eat nothing with egg. No
You don't touch.
cake with egg.
You don't touch
Nothing
egg.
with egg. Nothing with egg.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the pork with some pepper.
Good man. Especially when they jerk.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Yeah.
With some good pepper.
This one here.
Hey Baba, when I fry a piece of pork, since now me know say it okay.
Can't
With
eat
the
pork,
Carlo.
man. Never nobody tell about
Pork.
Yo, take one green pepper.
Rasta eat pork. They can't tell them know what they know. Me know what me.
So just that look of verse there?
Yes.
Just that. Say the pork.
It's just foolishness, man. I want make you think. That's
But
that.
just that line there alone, no more lines?
But me, if a man eat and he sick him, you know, like how just like how me eat egg and he sick me.
Yeah.
Enough people eat chicken and they sick them, you know, so they not eat it.
Yeah.
But you see, anything your body refuse, me feel say you not fi eat it.
Yeah.
If I know say boy, I today no more you eat and you hurt your belly.
Yeah.
Suppose you try tomorrow and you not do you nothing. But we have a man now, all him I try it I hurt him. He try 2 times he hurt him, he try 3 times he hurt him. You know, say I not feel you left it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mix it up, Baba. Over there,
Now put salad for me, man.
I know the Jesus demon pork that. Or a different one.
Just a pig here.
Hey.
People are talking this and that.
Whoa, me say.
Eat your food, man.
Them say eat your food,
I
man.
mean, eat your food.
Jamaica, see there.
Eat your food.
Yeah, but Vanessa, this goes out to you. Vanessa said him even call the pork rope.
Then you go on this article for your pork.
Vanessa said she will call the rope of the hog.
I eat it.
I eat it.
Just back it.
And then it is going down deep. Going down deep. Alright, so you know, eat anything for help it digest? Put some ketchup on the side.
So what?
Ketchup.
Then the ketchup in night already.
Oh, fermentation.
Yeah, man, in
the
night already.
digestion. And we're just serving this with plantain. So for those who believe in everything creation create.
Create.
All right, good. That good for me. Give
That
thanks.
good for you.
That good for me.
You must say rice, you don't know, look a bit.
The rice. No more rice. Come and build it puff up. I want to see how plantain.
Alright, thanks.
Give thanks, then you have to give thanks for life. God created, right?
No more.
Yeah, of course.
Where's the food I eat, man? And I eat that.
TSP to the paper now. TSP.
All right. Let us see. Oh, gracious creation, thank you for creating the pig. Oh, it's going down with a piece of plantain and a piece of pepper. Me I got sampled with a piece of pepper in a baba.
Yeah.
Oh. Danger, baba. A danger.
No, take up one piece by itself now and put it in your mouth.
Piece of the pork
Yes, by itself.
with the pepper and the plantain a danger.
No, don't put the plant on it. Just take piece of it by itself and taste it.
Delicious, man. This thing is soft and succulent and it just disappeared magnificently.
Well, you say you don't want no rice.
I just two fork of rice, man. Taking it, didn't it?
Yeah, man, if you
Then you
do
take out the plant out of it.
Why I fight myself?
Oh,
See
plant,
plant?
did you?
Yeah, man. Take out the plant.
that turn me in a Kevin.
No, man. Just take out the plant, man. You know what I mean.
Baba,
You don't want no more plant, Baba.
No.
Baba, I appreciate the lesson. Whoa,
You want to know what pint?
whoa! No, Baba, me know say I have the lemonade.
Yeah, man. You there,
Me
man.
know say you not left out there. People, let me tell you something, man. If we not, make we go outside. Make we go outside.
You cheer them, listen.
Hold this for me, Baba. Let me go outside. Bring the camera stand for me. I have gone to the pork hill. This is delicious, bro. I appreciate it. You see, when I come back by I don't know. Anything I want and I can get. So don't worry. And don't fret. See it there? Yes. Yes. Still. Come eat for you too?
The lemonade, yeah, go.
Alright, but you come eat for you?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Come eat, man.
Now make your one come in. Then you want to kiss it. Yeah, man.
Baba tired, you know. Baba been working a lot. So we do all of this work for to get the experience. Yeah, man. Where your chair there?
Are you me about to have feast?
You see it? It up on it?
Yeah, man.
You look good?
Yeah.
Alright, people, sit there. I mean, no, so no, no, say the avocado. I can't believe we know say avocado are they rolling, you know.
Just eat one done.
No more no ripe.
I will just sleep some I eat it.
Boy, I mean, I tell you, you know, some avocado are nice with this. Another delicious avocado are nice with this now, Baba.
Yeah.
And it done.
Yeah, man.
People see the lemonade there. All natural lime.
Tomorrow. God's spirit, tomorrow you have one.
Me could pick some of that big one there. Me see some big one around there, you know.
You not tell us tomorrow you have one.
You pick them already?
Yeah.
The big one them from over there, sir.
Remember I said they pick up a big one.
But the one there over there have the biggest one them. Me I one of them since me come.
But the pan is a tree.
Over there, so yeah. Me say them one they good. Alright, see, I sandwich the pepper, the pork, and the half-ripe plantain. That's totally delicious, bro. And
if you just back a look now, I'm sure where to go. Raise up your foot. Aye. Yeah, man.
I don't want my rest of friend them see me eat pork, you know.
But no, you are going to show them. No, you are going to show them. Me know say you're that brave to you, know, Kev.
Hey, tell them say I'm a twin brother this, you know me.
Who? Tenny?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? You really tell him that?
You catch me in the evidence, didn't you?
Yeah.
Remember some people will cut down the
Say
meat,
that
you
try
know?
hide and eat it.
Vanessa. This film is for Vanessa. See Rondie knock down.
Oh, yeah.
I don't eat the
See
pork.
there? See?
See the nice pork. Vanessa, this goes for you.
See, it's Randy, you know, but here, can't take no more of this, you know. Me, you see him there? Watch him. I go eat mine.
Jamaica, if you don't want me to keep doing these films, let me know.
Let me know.
If you don't have a family and I want to go film on a family, send some donation, me go film them.
What the man do? I eat pork.
Eat anything with them and cook. Me eat it.
And as a cook, right?
As long as you cook. Dirty Rondie. Bees, watch yourself. Pork is not for you.
Bees are left the rich part.
No wonder why the people them when them hear the pork done them run come. Sure, and then we need some more pepper, you know. Could you please do the honors? We need a whole new green pepper, man. Baba, where you there so long ago? Jamaica good life. The world are going crazy, you know, so a couple of businesses that I saw out here that was sustainable. Thank you. Yam farming, 5,000 investment, can turn over to over $30,000. Are you that? Show the camera, Baba.
When I saw.
So you're not going to eat no meat with it?
Nope.
So Baba want to know. You're not going to eat no meat with it?
No food.
No food with it?
No, man.
You're not going to eat no food with it, Baba? Eh?
You ain't eat terrible.
When you look up and we go buy pork, you see? You don't get food to buy. You are there $500 with a jerk pork or you change it to a jerk pork and you chop up your gear.
You get some bread sometime.
If you want bread, you have sorry.
Some of the jerk man, we have one bread pan star. I said they want 2 slices of bread. $250.
This coming like just like you go buy the jerk chicken, you know. And you chop up it in a file paper gear.
This tastes like cow skin.
Like cow skin.
Yeah.
Because it had the glue, that's what I tell you, the glue we have in it.
Good for the back.
I safe meat fit, man. A white meat, you know, they say I want nice safe meat, you know. Better than beef, you know, because beef a red meat.
Some meat have been the glue, the pork by itself not been the amount of glue where the head have been. The have been more glue in there.
You no eat no food with it. You know eat no food with it.
You cook pork mass, I mean, I had the full round food. Pork meat till it's done. Right now the food no sweet.
You have no hot sauce? You don't have hot sauce. Hey Jenny, position the camera for me. Baba, you
Say you don't catch me, you know?
put the camera over there, sir.
What's that?
Over there, sir. Then we do it.
Watch me foot, Baba. Oh. You actually in there, you know?
Put it all the way over there, sir. Out back.
Watch me, man. Up back.
It's an epic film right now, 2 hours in the camera. And them kick the rest of them, them kick me and pork.
The pork head, man. A meat eye.
Yeah. Look good, right, Denny?
Me, I'll set you up. Nice.
The two legends there. Well, good, right?
Good. Good.
Record on, right?
Yes.
Look,
Yes, Chief.
yeah. Thank you for watching Jamaica Good Life. This is Jamaica Good Life. Denny.
Yeah.
This is Denny. Rondie. This is the King Baba. Say hello to them, Baba.
Yeah.
Tell me about Jamaica
So
Good
bones, what about bones?
Bones.
Yeah.
The Jamaica Good Life.
The cat.
This is the grizzle. Remember it? The grizzle of the house. Having everything. Having the right type of glue where your body deserves. So glue no sell at the store. We buy the hanky and cookie glue. And bone scan it. When you tell a man say a bone scan the hanky, why let him understand what I mean?
Bone scan. What that mean?
Take out all the bone out of it, every nickel of the bone.
Out of the head?
Yeah.
You did that?
When the boy take him out and pick out the bone them outside. Then you cut him up. Final seasoning. This alone I dinner, you know.
You can't believe saying like no food with it.
No man, this alone I dinner, man. I don't want no drinks. Then we make up and do that, I buy 500 of fried chicken. We don't want to eat today. We just eat fried chicken. Just like what we are doing now. Real Jamaica life, man. Good life.
Porky! I know you say this.
I say you gotta put up with them, man.
I can live life here, man.
Enjoy life. While you are alive. I'm going to notice 2 bag juice.
A piece of bammy will have good still fried bammy.
With the pork, yeah.
Anything where you get, man, really. Gone that road.
And some serious hot sauce.
Yes.
Serious hot sauce.
Serious hot pepper sauce.
A pork like this, for smooth, you need serious hot sauce. So you can't even keep it in your mouth. That's why the pepper good, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me buy a come from soul one time, I tap a jerk out and buy a piece of jerk pork. You see? And when they look at it, give you. Because then make a touch, then ketchup and then pepper. They might do it, give you.
Yeah.
And I say one time I put the eat couple pieces of that hit. We couldn't finish it.
Hot.
Oh God, man, a fire in there.
Yeah, man.
All the pepper hit and corn with pepper.
The more the pork have the pepper, I think nice I think.
Yeah.
No, not to me. No, one time you cry.
Yeah.
You eat and
Yeah,
cry
but-
and your nose around and your ear around. That type of fire. I mean, it sounds simple like pepper, you know, man. So, you know, I mean,
Yeah.
real pepper. Pepper hit.
What could you do?
Wow. What do you?
The man like the pork, the man that brush on the pork tail and have the pork produce in a plate. Now we better take it for.
Me eat it, man.
And I eat man, I say, man, me give man. Of one piece we cut up game, you know.
Me eat it.
Then we need some more pepper.
No more pepper, man.
Pepper in the fridge, man. Hot pepper in the fridge.
Give me 2 of the pepper then.
You don't see how quick me it off me?
can't believe you. You
But
used to them things, yeah.
Me da eat the same amount like this again.
Again?
Yeah. Right now, me go back, me take up the same amount and eat it again. Manners. What make you look for me?
What am I tell you? You have to go get something for digesting the stomach, you know.
What? You hear me bed?
See there?
You hear me bed? Why is
Play
your
with
bed like
food.
that?
Come now. Play with
Peace
the
more
food.
them come.
No man, me not care no more come. I'll play tomorrow. I'm on it, me say. Can't do nothing.
I'm playing my food, you know.
I can't believe, Baba.
No, man, I'm going to think I'm around food, man. I have food. Work hard, me eat food. Well, before me go on my bed.
You must eat some pickle with that or some more ketchup. Cause in your belly now, you know. The parasite them say yes to fuck out. And time for have some fun.
Me eat a whole heap of pepper, man. I want big pepper I cut up on it, you know. Yeah, one of them big one.
Me have to eat
If
pepper
you want
with
the
it.
pepper, you hold the pepper right now. Just take up one big piece of pepper and then you feel the heat in your mouth. Go bump them now. It tastes now. Yeah.
Yeah, me have to eat them.
Yes, the pepper burn him.
Me have to eat the pepper with it. I don't like it.
You want two soft bag juice me then? Yeah, man. That's we enjoy ourselves. We do it in our daily, we cook one again and we just chop up it. And cook it, have it on the fire.
You know, buy it at the store?
The Terry can them come give you in time you ready.
When get them, you buy them.
This guy me say, you know me have two again for you.
Only certain people can cook them.
Yeah, some people not cook it.
Them they don't want it.
They don't want it. But they don't know the value when I have it.
Can you take out the bone?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's delicious. Delicious with the pepper.
Yeah.
I'm a pepper.
More pepper.
Yeah, man.
More pepper.
I'm a pepper hog eater.
Next year bag to stop making up. Make sure tell your fan now.
January.
Jamaica, them a bland, a ban plastic.
Ban plastic. When am I going to put it in now?
Different kind of paper.
Me don't know.
Paper we can burn up. No man, me see them in a cup, man. You see them in a box with a juice and a shanika them pan shelf already.
Oh.
And them the kind of man use now. Plastic buckle and all of them. But yes,
About time.
it's a kind of cardboard something, but then wrap it. To get the pretty color.
They laminate it. What do you call it? Laminate, yes. Then I say them are going to laminate the paper. Paper bag.
So what me don't use this hand on my eyes.
So them they know, you see? They can dissolve out if you show them don't quick and then rat out. But the plastic now,
Nah,
a 7 year plastic take before you start things you going to start ratting. So them they know how me see them box set and now before you see them all at restaurant, I just eat the food and put it down 2 days time before. Especially if you get wet. You dissolve out. So now no time for you to go in a day. Catch me.
Water system.
Yes. Jamaica. Good life. I wonder why people will find this country and I say not now go on.
Say it louder, I can't pick you up. You say wonder why people leave from this country.
I say not now go on. I say.
Some still a plan to leave, you know.
You?
Some more.
What the man a plan to live?
What the man a plan for left? I'll not see him now.
Bones. Well,
I'll see him now, yeah, with you. What people now?
things are life hard, that's all. And to me, if you enjoy the best of my time right now, I'm 62, just starting to enjoy my life. The best of my life. No. We just tell the man, I said, look here, like $1,000 that we have for me. We cook today dinner and tomorrow dinner already. So we just tell me, go so tell her. Yeah, he laugh. He say, you know, easy, you know, Papa. He say, yeah, man, $1,000 if you can come give me a cook after we day, yeah, come. We cook today dinner and tomorrow dinner already. So he did not give me tomorrow. He still like me dinner. So you have to know if you tell them some things to make they say,
You look at $1,000 things a man I could do.
yeah. Yeah, man. Because some of the people, they know, man.
You get your pepper, you're cool.
Some of the people, they want when they see, you know, because you know, the mentality of people, you see. You see, if me have a big watch for me and a braid chain through down on my neck, and things are going for me.
Yeah.
But like how me just go on as a natural man, like a satire trousers and a cold guns here. Sure, nothing I got for him.
Idiot.
So you keep them with that in the darkness. Because me listen to the man over the radio and he said, look here, wise man, he was giving some instruction on Christmas. He said, when you are going out to the bank and you have a lot of cash, just wear a little work clothes. Don't put on no big chain and no broad watch and no fancy dress, you know. Because those are the people that get robbed in the town. And we say, oh, I really see my target, you know. Because when you say you dress up and look so well, you know, you're the one targeting him. Yes, you see that boy there? Especially if you follow you and you see you take out all your wallet and you look good. You say, yes, man, me I take you from you today. But if you see, say, you don't look so well, you just pass, you say, so I'm going for him, man.
You know, it's a thief, hate people when have no money.
Yes. Of course.
Them hate them.
The money might go after them.
Them hate poor people.
And you know the money, you know I see up in their town. You know nothing for you rap, for your rap. For him rap.
Most time I dress, me just dress easy.
Easy, man.
My beard grow up and thing.
Yeah.
Where me look at dirty slippers with a dirty socks.
Yeah, that's right.
And the dirty socks, them say, idiot.
Ah,
Dirty
idiot.
boy.
That's what I tell you, man.
Dirty boy.
Dirty boy, it's not going for you.
Dirty boy. And then I drive in a good life, Jamaica good life friend them car. And look at, look how car, and when come in, them not even give me a second look. But if me drive up now on Benz,
Oh, God. You know, so I tell you, man, like I go down the road now, I just get not try to see yourself. I don't want nobody target me. And when the two just go down the road and every man I say, yeah, brother Bennett. But I drink them.
Where man drive up in there, not where nobody drive up in there. You can't drive up in there one of the nice hard day. Who, I don't see, my big neck penetrate. Who is for you?
No, but then you see, are you no answer the next man that answer?
Man, I penetrate. I think come like Christmas. That means I have vanity.
Then I don't know most people are worship the
Come like
vanity.
Christmas, and me I go pay mine. As you go run down Christmas.
So most people think.
People pre-dance it, man. I do they in a RD. Are you in a BMW?
in this world you have to,
Are you in a VW? Anyone know are you in a?
you have to just try to stay under the radar from people. Them born for watch. Compete, compare, jealousy, red eye.
Yes.
Him have, me not have. What him I do, what me I do.
What him not do,
What him not do, what me I do.
Yeah, I do.
Him have a van, me need a van. Him have a car, film system big enough for me. Film girlfriend pretty enough for me girlfriend.
Yes.
Fear here nice enough for me here.
Yes.
Oh
I
Lord.
plant 1,000 I want to plant 2.
Two. I mean, crazy, you know.
Crazy, right?
People, crazy. Him have a big house, me I build a big house when I go to Jamaica. He said, my house, and then him tell a story about them house, you know. 17 bed. When them see a house big enough for them, I full house that. But you see the picnic, the people them not go to school, you know. The picnic have a good education. Now them have to say something bad about him now, because him house bigger now. Them find something to say.
To say.
Picnic, you know, him a cheat on him wife. You know, say him a cheat on him wife. Then you know, say him a cheat on him wife, yeah.
There'll be something to criticize.
No, a man can have a nice house, good Christian, good children, good clean. You know, so me say them.
I make it up big.
You know, so me see them a grow pork back of the yard. Them a heat, them Christian, them a heat pork, you know. And them big house
And
now.
them are Adventists.
Yeah. But them Adventists and them, me see pork back of
Pork
the
back of the yard.
with the big house. The pick them a do good, the car nice, them healthy. But so happen that the fence between the pork fence and a them pork. Life is complex with people. I think people make it complicated, yeah, sir. I don't follow them, I don't watch them.
No, I thought,
That me say to
that.
you overlook them, man. By far.
Jamaica, good life. I like how you set up your house. Nobody can know where you are the back of your yard too, right? Baba said when him build the house, him a build the veranda. So,
Yeah.
At the back.
You know,
we don't know why people put veranda in front.
I back it for them.
A bucky for them.
Back if you man.
People mind them business, man.
People mind them business, man. That me love, you know. That's why I tell you, so with me mind my business.